So Too High wants to applaud and appreciate one and all who have talent and have achieved a place just because of their hard work and determination. When appreciation comes from people around you and from unknown people, you feel so nice and your self respect increases immensely. Let's join hands in a motivation drive started by So Too High. This drive is about acknowledging one's work and appreciating them. Roma has done MSc MPhil in biotech and also a Fevicryl certified art and craft professional. She is full of talent. She teaches maths, she teaches science in the morning to the US kids, and she loves teaching art and craft related things online, and she's doing a fantastic job. So let's learn more from Roma, what she is doing and how she is doing. So very warm welcome, Roma.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for the lovely introduction. I just loved it. To hear something from you, it was lovely. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yes,
Thanks to Hi. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. It was lovely. Looking forward to a nice, candid talk with you.
yes, definitely. So Roma, tell us, how did the journey begun from for you?
With respect to online tutoring that I have been doing from past 12 years, yes, it's been
Okay,
a long time. Right now, there is a craze about this online tutoring, but it's been from 12 years that I am doing with the online tutoring. That is
okay,
mainly with the academic subjects, the maths and science. Then I
okay.
started working with two different companies. So it was in Jayanagar, one located in Jayanagar, another in JP Nagar. And
Mm-hmm.
post that, after marriage also, and after my children also, it just continued. And still I am continuing that job as well, because learning is something, it is very important. Learning and teaching, it is something I think it is inbuilt in me. So I keep
Okay.
on learning and keep on sharing. The art actually happened just few years back. I
Mm-hmm.
think I should give the credit to my children. Both of them. One is now 6 years old, and another is 9 year old. So both of my kids, I mean, both my sons are so naughty, and I had to just run away from home. I was just looking for output to go out of home. It is only because my online tutoring, everything they were giving me home based. So
Okay.
right from the beginning, I have been doing as a home based job because of the timings,
Mm.
because I take the youth children. So either it is the very late night, or it's very early morning, like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's the reason most of my work professionally, everything was at home.
Yes.
And before 3 years, I was just getting very, you can say, like suffocating or depressing, or I don't know what,
Yeah,
I don't
staying
know
at
what to
home,
term.
it becomes monotonous.
Yes, yes. So that's the reason I was just trying to, have an outlet wherein I can go out. And then I think I saw in newspaper about some workshop, and then I started going for this art workshops. I was doing art before during my school days, but I
Mm-hmm.
didn't touch even a brush or a pencil after. It's maybe after 20 years I
Oh my
started
God.
holding brush.
Yeah.
And when I started going for this workshops, everybody were just surprised when I told them I haven't touched it. It's been over years that I haven't touched it,
Yeah.
because I was more into the education part of it, the science or the no the maths part of it, where there was no requirement of any brushes. Yeah, of
Mm-hmm.
course there is some drawings that I was very good with. The biology, where we had to draw the circulatory system or the respiratory system.
Yeah.
So in that I was very good, but I had never thought that I will be taking up something art as my profession. Right now it has become
Mm-hmm.
like my profession, wherein I'm
Mm-hmm.
teaching all the various art forms.
Yes.
I am doing kalamkari to Madhubani to coffee painting to exploring the French art decoupage, and yeah, there are a lot many more. So yes, it gives me a lot of happiness when I'm sharing it, and I really, it's just an year. It's not even a year. It's less than a year, because November
Okay.
I had started last year, and almost we have more than 500 participants who have so far attended many workshops, from the hand casting to decoupage to mosaic decoupage. There are a lot of things, and many coming up as well with
Yes.
resin, alcohol ink. So I think art is something that I just love to learn and to share.
Yeah. I think you
Yes, right. No, you have to go.
so your journey started 1 year back, and you have some 2,400 followers.
Right.
Yeah, and I think lot of kids who don't miss your class. So where are you
And my
learning these acrylics?
sorry.
Like from where are you learning this? Like before teaching, you have to
Uh,
know how it has to be done.
right. I think that moment came in December 2018.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 years back, when I got an opportunity to learn from the Fevicril artists. So we had a teachers training course, and they just taught me so many techniques with respect to this. And my journey actually started from there, where I started seriously working on becoming a professional in art. Okay,
Okay.
and then we had to submit a lot of projects. We had about more than 40 projects to be submitted on various art forms which they had taught.
Oh.
And everybody loved the way I presented all the different art forms and the techniques and the blending techniques, everything, whatever I had done. And that's how I just got certified as art and craft professional, because other than that, I didn't have any other certification.
Okay.
Because with respect to my learning online tutoring I had, with respect to science and maths, because I also qualified the state level lecturership. I even got an opportunity to work as associate professor with respect to science in a very good university. But that I rejected. It's only because maybe I was not the one to go in just for the monotonous job. And that's how online tutoring came in. That time it was a boom. So, and my journey with the online tutoring started. And before that also, I think I got an opportunity to work with Shakuntala Devi also. I'm an astrologer.
My God,
Yes.
so many things you are doing.
I am telling you, I just love learning and keep on sharing.
Yeah.
So yes, that also happened. That I did along with my bachelor's degree when I was doing. We had this 3 years course of astrology, wherein they were teaching in the scientific method. Because I was not the person, you tell me this and this, and I will believe. Okay, and there was lot. It is mainly math. It is, it's mainly math, and I love this astrology. It is. I wouldn't say it is an occult sciences or something which they tell, because it is definitely a math. Wherein it is all about the permutations and combinations. It is how you predict. The predict will be predicting based on the 9 planets. How you take the role of all the 9 planets while predicting anything. And I think that is also was a wonderful journey of being an astrologer, because it took 3 years for me, and then I got certified, I got registered as an astrologer, and that is also going on. So I was actually planning to do my PhD in astrology. That is still there, but there is a lot of research part which is required in astrology. Yes, so that's about astrology, and then about this.
After talking to you now, I feel like even I have interest in so many things, and I think there are many like me who have interest in so many things, but we don't try to learn it and master in it. So
I think it is very important that you have a proper guidance, to learn anything. Like if you see with hand casting also, I just do only 1 day workshop. So in my 1 day workshop, I just teach from A to Z. So just 1 day, they come in and they learn all the tricks and trades which is required for the hand casting thing. Many of my participants have started their own hand casting studios, and I really feel proud that yes, I am empowering women. So they are getting into business just with 1 day workshop. because my workshops are something that you learn any particular form. I will be teaching the complete A to Z about it. It is not that
Okay.
I will tell you to come for 6 months or 3 months, nothing like that.
Uh-huh.
One day, it's just sufficient.
Yes. So let's go through your page quickly. And all these workshops, you do it mostly on Saturdays and Sundays?
Yes, it is. It was like, yes, weekends, but I have slowly started coming up with weekdays as well. No,
Okay.
before there was a lot of demand for weekends workshop, but many of my participants started asking why not weekday, because their children or the husband,
Yeah.
everybody goes out and then we can come in for to learn. So no, recently we had started with the weekday and weekend workshops as well.
Okay.
Now, because of Corona, it is only weekend online workshops. Yes.
And this one, what is this? Can you just brief about it?
Yes, that is about the nib painting workshop which we did. I
Okay.
think I have one. So you have get a different kind of nibs. Okay, so it is mainly doing with nibs.
Okay.
Okay, these are what are the round nibs. So you get various designs and I right now do not have. Those are a different special kind of nibs which
Or what kind of paper is this?
we can actually do it in, yeah, velvet chart. This is velvet paper. You can
Okay.
do it even on velvet cloth. It just gives like the embroidery texture. Texture.
Okay.
I think, yeah, that was about the hand casting. By participant also coming in. So we have been doing a lot of hand casting workshops.
Oh.
So once you frame it, it looks really good. And
Hmm.
it's a very nice way of preserving memories. And I was telling this is a fantastic workshop. I think I have a lot of photographers, a lot of homemakers coming in to learn this because it's really nice,
Yes, it's
way of
really nice.
preserving memory.
And there are
Yes.
professionals who take charge and they do it for us.
Right.
And if we
Yes.
can do it ourselves, this is amazing
Mm-hmm.
that you are teaching it, because I don't know how many are teaching this thing, but
No, you wouldn't find anybody teaching this
yes,
because this
everybody
is a
does
very
it for
lucrative
some
business.
800 or 1000 bucks to, just make it.
Yes. Yes. Right.
Wow.
Listen, we get with the framed one, they charge about 20,000, 15 to 20,000 rupees.
Oh,
And this one I'm just teaching in very, very economical price. It is because of the lockdown. I think most of them have lost their jobs. They are trying to find a new business to start with. I think this is a wonderful one.
yeah. They can learn it and they can excel it in, and they can
Yes.
start making it.
I think a little tricks and techniques to know about this, they will be able to do it. That's a very, I wouldn't say simple one, but if you learn it properly, then you will be able to do it very
And this is coffee painting.
well. Yes, that's coffee
Okay,
painting.
this is done by you.
Yes, that is done. And this is one more coffee painting just
Oh,
done. Yes.
so
This
Roma,
was an
tell me one
online, this
thing.
was offline.
So
Yes.
Roma, tell me one thing. Like, you're making so many beautiful arts, and what are you planning to do with it? You are going to exhibit it, or you're planning to sell it online?
Actually, I have not sold any of my artwork. I don't know. I am not into the selling part of it because each one
Okay.
has a memory associated with it. So
Yeah.
somehow, so far, I have not done. I have lot many things to show, but I have told my participants, please go ahead, do it. I also give them where they can sell it also, because there are a lot of
Okay.
platforms wherein
They can
handmade
sell.
products are really in demand. Yes,
Okay.
but I am not into that. It is, I find my joy in sharing it.
And this is the bottle we
This
get for
image cuts.
cold coffee in lot of beverages shops.
Yes, it is. Recycling, yes, it's the recycling the milkshake bottles. You get this Kevintus milkshake bottle. So it is all about upcycling, recycling all the bottles.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just show you.
This is
So I
doodling?
have done. No, that is not doodling. Doodling is also there. This one is image transfer. Any image you want to transfer into a bottle,
Okay.
you can do it, including the photographs. It was just for the workshop, and I think I had kept charged it very less. So we were working with black and white pictures. Okay, but this technique you can do even on with a colored image. You can transfer your family photos, anything, any picture you want, you can transfer it onto a bottle or any surface like an MDF wood, on a box or anything, anything you can
and
do
it
with.
is washable?
Yes, it is washable. So I tell them, I do give them tips of how to make it washable. You get different kinds of varnishes in market. So yes.
Wow, this one is amazing. What is this? Metallic
This
finish
is
art.
texture. This is texture painting. It gives this metallic finish is what I have given. I think I have one very colorful one. I think I will not be able to show you. It's very on top.
Okay.
Yes, this is the metallic finish one. It is about the texture painting.
I find all your workshops to be different.
I love in variety. So every weekend it is different workshop.
So
Very rarely
your kids are
this is all
along
by
with
my
it? When you're doing the
sorry.
workshop, your kids are there with you? They are also
Oh
doing
yes, they are always.
it?
They
Okay.
have to do along with me. No, I always keep a spare for them.
Okay.
A spare of, a bottle next to them. It is two of them, so otherwise both of them start fighting. I tell them to share. No, they wouldn't share. They want to have their own separate bottles, separate art to be done. Write their names that this is done by Prashadi and this is done by me.
Wow. So lovely you're doing.
Okay.
What are you planning next?
Next, actually, right now, We Learn Arena, we are mainly doing the art workshops. I was trying to, I have been in talks with other, life skills like the personality development programs or the something not related to academics. I wouldn't say academics becomes a little different because children already have a lot of things to do at in the school also the 6 hours of learning which they do, and I wanted to incorporate some more different kinds of workshops, one day workshops like the public speaking workshop or the personality development programs, or I was setting up cooking skills, some art related. Yes, so some activity wherein they can come over to We Learn Arena to just have a weekend relax either with their family, because we do have like parent and child bonding workshop, and a lot many other things. So this is what we do with We Learn Arena. It is just to let your head down, calm down for a few hours, just do an art with the guided session. It is just step by step instruction which is given, and finally you go home with a beautiful art piece in your hand.
Yes. So I think it's more like an academy. You're teaching so many things, so it's an online academy.
I can say so. Now we have been starting with offline, wherein I'm taking one-on-one sessions also, because many of them have been telling that online start off with offline. I've been doing with one-on-one, wherein we only all the sanitization, everything part taken care of because of the COVID thing, but not many. I'm not taking in many. It is only one-on-one session or maximum 2 or 3 participants for the offline session.
Amazing.
So because when they come in, they want to learn different art forms. So one day they come, they want to learn 2 or 3 at least different art forms, and then they want to go home. So that's the reason one-on-one is always nice, and yeah, that is also coming in. So offline sessions offline workshops is going on right now.
Yeah. So when
But
you get
one-on-one.
into something like this, your brain works faster and you start getting more ideas of how you can do different things. Like if you
I
know
think my
mandala, you start
participants
doing
who
it.
come here,
When you
yes, right,
start doing mandala and you try it in so many things, in cushion covers, then coasters and drawing and framing, you can deal it with everything.
right. I give them lot of options to my participants because we have lampshades, we have MDF boxes, we have bottles,
Oh,
coasters, trays. So I
oh,
usually give it to the participants whichever base that they want to take, make it, because always a canvas will be a little boring.
hmm,
So something like utility which they can
hmm,
use. I think the nameplate workshop, the decoupage nameplate board, which you can make it for your home, also customize it for your home. That
okay,
that was a very nice workshop that we had, because
okay.
everybody were making, kids were making it for their room. So they were very happy in choosing the picture whatever they like, because I give a lot of options to my participants, because ultimately it is they who have to love their artwork that
Art,
they do,
yeah,
and whatever that they feel they should be doing that, not
yes,
me giving them that you this or that. So it
yes,
is a lot of options. Like even with this coffee painting or kalamkari, I give them a lot of options, varieties which they can choose from. So if you
yeah.
see any of my workshops, not everybody is not doing the same thing.
Mm-hmm,
You have all the participants doing the art form that they like. No,
mm-hmm.
the art form is different, maybe the different pictures
With
that they will
different
be
pictures.
working with. Yes.
So lovely talking to you, Roma, and it was awesome. And very soon we'll be doing a seminar, webinar kind of thing wherein I'll get into all the artistic people in one frame and we'll discuss about what they are doing so that, we learn from each other more and we can spread more art and craft ideas to others in one platform in a day itself.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Lovely, Aditi. That's a very nice initiative. I think we have already have a lot of artist community, wherein we do that. But it
Okay.
is lovely thought. I would definitely love to connect with that.
Yeah. And, I found a quote in your page, which I would like to quote here to end the session. Um,
Hmm.
Within every woman,
Can
there
I
is,
show you some of my products which I've done?
yes, yes, sure.
Yeah, one second. Let me just change it, because I have lot many. I
Okay.
have just accommodated my table right now. I'll just show it once. Okay, this is the coffee painting thing.
Okay.
This is the pen stand. This is
Mm-hmm.
all
Bottles.
upcycle the bottles.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we also made a bookmark.
Okay.
This is again a coaster. This is
Mm.
wood carving.
Oh, this is
This is
carving.
on an MDF box. Can be used as a jewelry box as well.
Mm.
This is string art.
Oh,
Yeah, this is string art. It is a key holder, so we can
mm-hmm.
use it as a key. That was basically, I usually see to it that it comes as something has an
Use.
utility.
Yes.
Yes. So this is wire sculpting.
Oh.
It's tree of life. So these are some coasters. This is threaded decoupage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, this is our 3D hand casting, wherein you preserve the memories. I think this is sand art terranium. I think
Oh,
this was a wonderful workshop that we had.
okay.
Because of COVID, we are not doing it, but I think it's a nice way of giving back to the nature.
Mm-hmm.
This is kalamkari. It's the
Wow.
lampshade. So here also.
These are done so minutely and it's looking so beautiful.
Okay, thank you so much. I think this was the calendar that we had made. This is
So
the
you have
Kalamkari
so
calendar.
many things to decorate your house.
Oh, yes. True. So this was nip painting.
Mhm.
And then I think I have some paintings which I have hung here. Yeah, this is finger painting.
Oh, finger painting.
This is batik.
Okay.
Yeah, this is completed by finger painting.
Oh.
This is batik workshop. I mean, this is for the batik one. This is texture painting.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, this one was also there.
Yeah.
This was the metallic finish which I had given. And this one. And this I made a lot of clock with it.
Oh, wow. So this lockdown has given
And
you a lot of time, it seems. Like, look at the floor. It's looking so beautiful. It's looking like a art and craft shop.
oh, thank you so much. This is something is there on my table. So this is with color pencils that I had done.
Okay.
This is still incomplete, it's yet to do. Okay, I do with the this is the regular pencil.
Yeah,
This is pencil
shading.
shading.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, there are so many, but you know, this is what I could collect so far. Otherwise, the rest all is on the wall.
Oh, this is beautiful. So I'll just end the session by a quote from your page, which says,
Yeah.
within every woman there is a lioness, a healer, a wild warriorness, a goddess, being both soft and strong, a combination very few have mastered. And I believe you have proved that in every sense, Roma, and it is beautiful. Each and every artwork of yours is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aditi.
Yeah.
Lovely to speak.
Yeah,
Thank you.
same
Thank you
here.
so much.
Okay.